Welcome to program Intellectual Property, the Power of Enterprise. As you know, the registration of protection in industrial design, which is stipulated in Provision of the Law on Intellectual Property of Vietnam, is not obligatory for organizations and individuals. However, the registration of protection of industrial designs is very necessary and is the basis to establish ownership as well as help business protect their design better. In order to provide specific guidelines and some notes for business during the trademark registration process. Today we will join the discussion with two lawyers. There are Ms. Hằng and Ms. Hường. This program is implemented by Hanoilaw firm under the support of Biển Đông Group. Yes, Ms. Hường, can you indicate some subjects that have the right to apply for protection of an industrial design?
Yes, according to Article 86 of Intellectual Property Law. Firstly, the author creates the industrial designs with his own efforts and cost. Secondly, organization and individual invest funds and material facilities in the form of assigning or hiring a job, if the parties do not agree otherwise. Where many organizations or individuals jointly create or invest in the creation of industrial designs, such organizations and individuals shall have the right to register, and such registration right shall be exercised if all such organizations and individuals agree. The last, the state in the case of industrial designs created by the use of material technical facilities and state budget funds.
So, Ms. Hằng, what's the procedure to register an industrial design?
Yes, there are some steps you should follow. Step 1, prepare the registration dossier. Step 2, you apply. Home registration form can be submitted directly or sent by post to the Intellectual Property Bureau headquarters in Hanoi or to representative office of the Bureau in Ho Chi Minh City and Da Nang City. Step 3, follow the process evaluation and get results. When the application is received, it will undergo a two-stage evaluation of the Intellectual Property Bureau in terms of both the form and the content. This evaluation of the whole process lasts approximately 12 months from the date of filing. If it does not meet any of the objections as well as meet the criteria of protection, the Intellectual Property Department of Vietnam will issue a certificate of registration of an industrial design for a single host. After receiving of the notice granting of degree protection, business will go to get a certificate of registration of an industrial design in place of the applicant of the time start in the notice.
Well, Ms. Hường, in the process of registration of industrial design, what the enterprise need to pay attention to the problem?
Oh wow! The first, to avoid investing cost and effort, enterprise should consider the possibility of registered industrial designs by using the service of Nation Office of Intellectual Property to look up information about the industrial designs from following sources. Industrial Property Gazette is issued monthly by the Nation Office of Intellectual Property. The National Register of Industrial Designs is kept at the Nation Office of Industrial Property. Database of industrial designs submitted intellectually under the Hague Agreement published by the World Intellectual Property Organization. After making sure that your designs meet the conditions for the protection of enterprise, you have to fully and accurately declare their information as well as the contents relate to the industrial designs. In addition to this, enterprise should also note the notice of International Office of Intellectual Property to the owner because the notice has a certain response time. The response time for the which you have to respond, your application may be denied. Finally, after being granted a protection title, enterprise can only renew the design's patent for 2 consecutive times for 5 years each time. At the end of that period, enterprise will not be protected by the registered industrial design.
Yes, Ms. Han, what do enterprise need to prepare for the registration dossiers industrial design protection?
Yes, according to law on intellectual property, registration dossier industrial design protection includes a set of photo, drawing, 5 sets, a description, 1 set, the relevant document, proof of payment of fee or charges, number of records, we need 1 set. In particular, a description of the industrial design meets the following condition. Presenting the full essence of industrial design and must match the photograph or drawing includes the following content: product name or the product of industrial design, file used by industrial design product, the design already known, list photograph or drawing in which photograph or drawing must be sufficient, clear and sharp. The most basic shaping characteristic of product require different protection with similar industrial design already known are present in the following order: the shape, contour, correlation between the characteristic of cube and contour color characteristic, if any, for product with the hue of different status. For example, a product of the CPA are favorable, then describe in the design of the product in a different stage. If the industrial design consists of many options, specifies the different characteristics of remaining project compared to the basic variant. The first approach outline in the application. If the industrial design is the styling of the product, the description of the style of each product in the order.
With the above sharing, we hope to help you answer some of the questions surrounding the registration of trademark protection. And with the desire to comprehend and accompany the business development, Hanoilaw firm is currently launching the free brand lookup program when registering its trademark for domestic and foreign enterprise. All information questions need to be advised and answered. Please contact to 19006176, email hanoilaw.vn@gmail.com. YouTube Hanoilaw firm. Hanoilaw firm is pleased to cooperate with you. Best regards.